Hi CGI.
Hi Vlad.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
People can't see your face.
Yeah, thanks.
I blurred you out. Because you're from this structure called No Trust Verify.
Yes, so No Trust Verify
Can you
is
tell
like...
us what it is?
Yeah, it's a group of people. We are 4 in the team. And basically we are like mostly focused on experimentation, self-sovereignty and privacy. So this is why we are on Alephium, because we care about the decentralization and all the process around creating dApps and tooling for blockchain.
So you said you're 4 people, right? Like, do we know the other? Do we know the others?
So yes, we know the others, but we prefer to stay under discreet and under No Trust Verify. So
okay,
it's more we than I.
It's greater than you. Like, how long has it been existing for?
I think we existed for 2 years plus. We started with 2 projects, so and Alephium is one of them. And from there we decided to grow, to explore what we can do on Alephium, what's about, and to deep dive like in the tech and to see if it's a project that can suit us, and it was. So we are still here for around 2 years.
Cool. Can you tell us a bit about your itinerary in crypto? Like, how did you get in crypto?
Yeah, I think I got just in crypto because I was interested in the peer-to-peer system cash possibility, like to be able to exchange money through internet. And from there I start to explore what Bitcoin was about and what I can learn from there and deep dive in the tech. I'm mostly interested in tech than in other things, so that's why Bitcoin was very interesting. And from there I think something great is like I understand what Bitcoin is for, and I understand too, or we understand what Bitcoin is not for. So it's very interesting.
And how did you land on Alephium?
Basically, one of my colleagues just told me about it. It was like it was in the testnet, and I joined the Discord, check a little bit on it. I start to mine on the testnet to see what's the process of the mining. It was CPU mining at the time, and yeah, then we met with the NTV team, and from there we decided to start the.
So since you've been there, you've been doing a lot of things, right? Like there's a whale insights.
Yeah, so there is a lot of small toolings we did, like a bot for the mining, where we can like subscribe and be notified when you found a block. At the time we had to stop it a little bit because it was too spammy. We found a block every hours or something like that. So time change, and from there we did the Alephium Whales Watcher, the Alephium Insight to gather some insight about the price, about the mining hash rate. We did some like the top 10 addresses of Alephium, the rich list, and then someone did a better one, so we stopped this. We explored the dApp development too.
So you also participated in the hackathon, right?
Yes, we participated in the hackathon. We developed the TipAlph bot. It's a seamless way to exchange and to tip people through Telegram. So you just need to start to chat with a bot. From there, you need to find a wallet, and you can start tipping people in DM or in a group. If you find some message interesting for you, you can like tip them with Alephium or other tokens on the chain.
Interesting. If you guys listening want to test it out, you can test it out in the price.
Trading Alpha and a lot of other ecosystem group have it.
It's a great experience. So you have been involved very early. You've been building for a long time.
Yeah.
Now we just concluded the meetup last week.
Yeah.
Can you, as a builder, can you tell us how your experience of Alephium has evolved?
Yeah, so basically it has evolved from pretty fast, and with the I think something like we did get some we did give some feedback to the team what could be improved and everything, and the Alephium team really listened to the community, implemented the change, and implement the feedback that community gives. And maybe something about the dev meetups, it was very interesting to be able to connect with people, seeing face to face, for people like mostly 3 years of chatting, for some, most of them every day. And from there it was very interesting, connecting and exchanging idea on what's the future of Alephium, what can it be built on there.
So one thing we haven't talked about yet is that you're also running one of the guardians, the bridge.
Yeah.
How's that experience been?
It's a very good experience. We learned a lot doing this. Basically, we didn't know that the wormhole or the wormhole fork need guardian, so it was a very interesting things to do. And from there, yeah, we learned a lot of what's behind it, how it's working, and the wall bridge is working very, very good for us.
So are you ready to expand to other chains when they come up?
If they come up, yes, we are ready to take the challenge and to do it, and yeah, totally.
So okay, so you've done tools, you've done dApps, you're doing the bridge stuff, you are a regular presence in Discord and in Telegram. What's next?
Still same thing.
Okay.
I think still getting around, helping project to launch with the Blockflow DAO, another project.
You're also part of the DAO.
Yeah, not NTV, but myself I am, and yeah. So basically, and I even did some mining pool. So I think I test everything, and from there it's like just doing what we are doing. The Metapool, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it shut down recently. Right?
Yeah, it shut down recently. We prefer to help people to do on other pool that are better maintained than the Metapool one. And from there, yeah, just doing what I'm doing here, doing with NTV too, like exploring the dApps. A lot of dApps are coming, so we are pretty excited to even deep dive on this. Check what we can do, what we can help for.
What kind of dApps are you the most excited?
Yeah, I think like everyone, what the Alph banks and one of the ANS system coming.
System,
yeah, the naming system. And there is a lot of things like the links OTC with the lending and borrowing too. I'm pretty exciting. It's a very good team, very skilled people there. So yeah, I think it's this.
And do you have plans for your team? Like, do you have ideas?
No.
We're not talking about it.
Oh yeah, we are not really talking about it. And if we have idea, we prefer to test, to develop before, and then when we are ready to announce if we are doing something.
Okay. And like, so what's and in a more general sense, like, so you were there when there was like maybe 500 people on Discord, and now it's 10,000 or something, and the community has tremendously grown, and there's many different types of people. Like, what's your feeling of the community?
Yeah, so the feeling, we at NTV really love the Alephium community. The core community is very good, very helpful, and it's very strong. Don't go in the trading chat. But yeah, overall it's very good. I really love to stick around and to play and to be there. It's everyone is helping. I'm a community mode, so sometimes I'm like, okay, so people are helping each other, bringing awareness on the project, and every time one of the other dApps or other project doing something, everyone is very enthusiastic about it, like what Ian did with the contest. And right now with the Blockflow DAO, we are launching Alephium picture event, so you have to take a picture, and for now the community is very enthusiastic, and with NTV we are helping to like getting some reach on this context too.
Yeah, that's cool. So last question, as so you're mod, you know the ecosystem well, so actually two questions. For someone just getting in the community, what do you advise them, where do you advise them to go, or what to do?
I think there is like one tweet post if you have access to Twitter, which is very good, the onboarding post. And I think the only things you need to do is like downloading the wallet And then from there, exploring on Alphland, you can have
Alf.land.
Alph.land. You can see all the dApps around and just experimenting, playing, and asking questions. I think it's very important. So if you don't know something, if you're not sure of anything, just come on the Discord or on the Telegram and ask some questions. People are here to help you.
And if I'm a builder and I want to start developing dApps, where do I go?
The docs.alephium.org is the place where you should go, and from there there is some tutorial that you can start with, along with the developer channel in the Discord where the core team is. So if you have any question, you will have the luck of to speak directly with Cheng and Chao or Mushan. So they are the guys behind it. And from there, maybe I can add something about the dev experience. I think you will be very astonished about how easy it is, how less line you will write, and even for someone who's not a developer, can really and easily read some Ralph code. So yeah, even if you're not a developer, take a peek on the actual code.
Thank you, CJ. Anything to add?
No, thanks for having me. It's a real pleasure to be here with the interview and going forward with NTV.
Okay, thanks for your consistency, your creativity, and being all around.
Thanks.
Genuinely good people, and that was verified. Thank you.